Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set up and pair with the application the ROBOROCK Robot Vacuum Qrevo 5. So, in the first step we need to open the Google Play Store or App Store, download the search and look for the ROBOROCK app. Look for this one with the red icon, install it and open. If you're opening it for the first time, you need to create an account or login by for example, the Google. Then tap on the plus. Scan the QR code, so we need to open the tab cover and scan the QR code to the robot. Now we need to hold two buttons until you hear the resetting Wi-Fi.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
Now check the mark and click on the next. Then you need to enter the password to your home network. Click on the next, tap on the connect to device Wi-Fi. As you can see, now we are redirected to the Wi-Fi settings and we need to wait for the ROBOROCK. Just install it, connect it.
Wi-Fi connected.
And as you can see, now we connect the Wi-Fi successfully. Tap on the enter device. And after the loading process, you're gonna be able to start the fast mapping of your home. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.